unfinished songs for people. They give me good ideas.
Do you have a crunch?
The what?
A crunch?
A crunch?
Yeah.
Like, what do you mean by that?
Like for the guitar?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. Look. Like that?
Yeah, you should throw that in that song.
Okay. Okay. I'll do that. Okay, that's a good idea. Oh, hold on. I still have the loop, so I can reloop it, and we can like both hear how it sounds with your professional suggestion. Okay, let's check it out. Like that?
Yeah.
Cool. That's why I play unfinished songs for people. They give me good ideas.
Do you have a